In this video, I am going to show you how to create a seller account on Fiverr, or you can also call it seller profile on Fiverr. For that, firstly, you need to have a Fiverr account, and in a previous video, I have already shown you in a step-by-step process how you can create a buyer account or a normal account on Fiverr. If you haven't watched that video, then I'll make sure to put that video link in the description of this video. Click on it, watch that first, create your Fiverr account, and then come to this video in order to create your seller profile or seller account. So once you create your Fiverr account, then what you need to do is you can click on this icon and then scroll below and click on this become a seller. Now once you see this kind of interface, just click on this become a seller. Now you will see this kind of interface. So you can simply click on this continue. Okay, just keep on clicking on this continue button, and then you will reach to this place. Now you need to put your full name at here, your profile picture, and share a little bit about your work experience at here, and then you need to select your language at here. So let me fill out this form quickly and I'll show you what happens in the next step. Once you fill out this form, then you can simply click on this continue. Oh, sorry, I forgot to click on this add. So just click on this add and click on continue. So now here you need to fill out your personal info like occupation, skills, education, certification, personal website. All of these information are easy to fill, but also I'll show you here. In occupation, you can select writing and translation or video and animation, whatever the service that you want to provide. Okay, you can select that. So in my case, I would select other. So if you are not understanding what you need to select, it's better to select other. Okay, and then select any of these services that are available. So there is an instruction to choose 2 to 5 of your best skills. So select whichever skill is good fit for you. So just select the things that make sense at here. So in my case, I would be selecting data entry, other, and then scroll below, and in skill like in data entry, what can be like in PowerPoint. So I have also selected, I think, presentation. Okay, I will select presentation also and type PowerPoint at here. Okay, in this way. And then in experience level, whatever your experience is in that field, just select that experience. Okay, be honest here. Okay, don't try to be, if you are intermediate, and don't try to be expert at here, just click on add. So if you want to add another skill, you can simply click on there and type the skill like maybe Excel automation and export, and click on add. So in this way you can select your skills. Now in case of education, you can select the education that you have currently. Not only that much, your skill, the skill that you are going to serve in Fiverr. Okay, the service that you are going to serve on Fiverr, if it is related, if it is correlated with your education, as you can see here, add any relevant education details that will help your customer to get know you better, then that will help. Okay, if your skill and education is aligned with one another, then that is best for you. But if it is not, then also don't worry, whatever your education is, you can put it at here. In this way you can select education and click on add, and if there is anything other, you can add that too. Okay, now you can just scroll below, and if there is some award that you have received, then you can put it at here, and if you don't have any, then leave it as it is. Okay, so here are some of the example you can see, certified from AdHub. Okay, so now if you have a personal website that you want to showcase at here, then you can put it at here. If not, then you can simply click on this continue button. So while I clicked on continue, it was saying make sure you have added some years of experience at here. So I haven't added any years of experience, so I just selected this writing and translation, and from 2018 you can select any of the date. Okay, 2016 to 2022, and then after that you can click on continue. Then you will reach to this interface where you can connect your Google account, Facebook account, Twitter account if you have any. Okay, you can just click on this connect, and then you can connect it. It is good for building trust with Fiverr and with the customer that you are going to work on future time. So if you don't want to connect, just click on continue and skip this step. Now it is the time to secure your account. Now your email is already verified. Now what you can do is you can add your phone number and verify your phone number. Don't forget to don't skip this step, okay? It is extremely important, because if in case in future if you lost your email address, then that phone number is going to be a blessing for you, okay? So do add this phone number, and then after that you can just click on this continue and create your first gig to provide services on Fiverr. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. Take care, have a great life ahead, bye bye.